Hi everyone, my name is Hari, and I'm a third university student from Japan. To be honest, I used to be terrible at English. I couldn't speak, I couldn't understand grammar, and I had zero confidence. But deep inside, I really wanted to travel the world, make friends from other countries, and connect with people from different cultures. That dream pushed me to start learning English, even though I had no idea where to begin. It was confusing, overwhelming, and honestly frustrating. Sounds familiar? If you were trying to learn Japanese and feel the same way, you were not alone. When I first started learning English, I didn't know what to do. Textbooks were boring, YouTube videos were too long, grammar rules didn't make any sense. I kept thinking, what if I could learn just a little bit every day? Maybe then it wouldn't feel so impossible. Later, when I studied abroad, I met so many amazing people. They loved Japan, they loved anime, the food, the cultures, and they said, I want to learn Japanese, but also Japanese is too hard. I don't even know where to start. I tried textbooks, I tried watching Japanese shows, but it's just too much. When I heard that, I felt their struggle because I had lived it. That's when I had an idea. What if I could help people learn Japanese the same way I wanted to learn English? Not hours of study, not complicated grammar charts, just something simple, short, and easy to follow. So I created a way to learn one Japanese word a day in just 15 seconds. That's it, just 15 seconds. You don't need to study for hours. You don't even need to open textbooks. So you can watch one video while brushing your teeth, riding the train, or before bed. That's all it takes. And if you do that every day, you learn 7 new words a week, over 300 in a year. And most importantly, you'll build a habit. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be first. You just need to keep going.
Come on!
Language learning is not a race. It's a journey. And I want to go on that journey with you. Every day, we'll learn one word together. I'll explain the pronunciation, give a simple example, and sometimes share a fun fact about Japanese culture. Why do I do this? Because I've met so many people who love Japan but feel stuck with the languages, and because I know the feeling of being stuck. I believe that language is the key to connection. It's not just about words. It's about understanding each other, sharing ideas, and building bridges between cultures. That's why I want to help you. I don't want to give up on learning Japanese. I want to feel the joy of understanding a new word, of hearing a phrase in anime and thinking, I know that. Of reading or sign in Japan and smiling because it finally makes sense. So, if you are ready, let's start small. Just one word a day, just 15 seconds. That's it. Follow me.
Come on!
And let's learn Japanese together. Let's enjoy the process. Let's grow together. And let's fall in love with the language, the culture, and the journey. You don't have to do it alone. I'm here with you. Let's go!
Come on!
You might be thinking, can I really learn a language with just one word a day? And this answer is yes. Cause one word a day is not just about vocabulary. It's about building a habit. It's about showing up every day, even for just a few seconds. It's about telling yourself, I'm doing it. I'm learning. I didn't give up today. Learning one word a day won't make you fluent tomorrow, but it will make you consistent. And consistency is what creates real change. Think about it. If you learn one word every day for a year and use it, repeat it, and understand it, you would know over 365 useful natural words. Not just random words, but ones you actually use. Let me give you an example. Let's say today's word is oishii, delicious. You'll hear this in restaurant, in anime, in everyday conversations. When someone eats something good, they say oishii, and now you know what it means. You go to Japan, eat ramen, and say oishii. People will smile, but I cannot smile because I'm wearing masks. It's simple, but it connects you. Another day, we learn arigato, thank you, or sugoi, awesome, or kawaii, cute. You start to feel like understand Japanese not just as a subject, but as something alive and fun. That's the goal, not just study for a test, but live the language. I'm not a professional teacher. I'm just a student, someone who struggled, who understands, and who wants to help. I want my videos to be something you look forward to. Something fun, light, and real. I want to feel like you are not learning alone. I'm here with you every day, sharing what I know and cheering you on. I'll keep making these videos, not just to teach, but to inspire, to remind you that you are doing something amazing, even if it's just 15 seconds at a time. So, if you've ever felt like giving up, if Japanese feels too hard, if you've been afraid to start, just try one video, one word, one step, and then do it again tomorrow. Let's take that first step together. Let's discover Japanese day by day. And more than anything, let's have fun doing it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for not giving up. Let's keep going together. Follow me and let's make it happen. 僕についてきてね。Fighting! You can do it! See you!